welcome back to my channel. So I have a wig from UNice today, and it is a 5x5 HD lace closure unit. Oh my gosh, why can't I say that? An HD lace closure unit, you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's 28 inches and it's a really pretty body wave, and it's really heavy. I have to see what the density is. I'll leave it down below in the description box because it feels like it has like some weight to it. But they improved their lace and they have HD lace now, and when I put this against my hand, you guys, it looks so freaking good. So it feels a little bit, I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks really good. So it feels a little bit thicker than HD lace to me. It feels almost like Swiss lace kind of, because I've had some HD lace that was like really flimsy, which is why I say you have to be careful with it. But this one seems a little bit more durable, but it's like blending like seamlessly into my skin. But I want to dye this unit jet black today, so I haven't had a like super dark unit in a long time, and I stopped dyeing my real hair because I used to dye my hair jet black like constantly, or more so blue black. I used to do blue black, but I want to dye this jet black, so I want to do that today. But the knots aren't bleached, so I have to bleach the knots first, and then I'm going to dye it black and hopefully not mess the knots up. I'm going to try this thing that I seen on Instagram, so we're gonna see how it turns out, y'all. So this is what it looks like. Again, I have to bleach the knots, and I also need to pluck the hairline, but this is it. And then here is the inside. It's just 5x5. So I just went to Sally's and I got Dark and Lovely jet black, 2 of them, and then I also needed more bleaching stuff. So these are my favorite bleaching powder and Volume. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this together. Don't need a lot because it's literally just that middle piece. I love the way this one smells too, and it doesn't like choke you. It doesn't splash up. I can't find my little drops that I put in here to keep it from turning like super brassy, and I just used it like 2 days ago. I don't know what I did with it. So I'm gonna just let my purple shampoo sit for a minute. So I like to do mine kind of thick, so that it doesn't like seep through on the hair.
I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. Lace up and drip it down, take her wherever, yeah. Say the word and we take trips on with whatever, yeah. Don't bring me down, she build me up, not talking Teddy.
So now we take our Gorilla Snot and coat the bottom.
She not Bonnie, I'm not Clyde, but if it need it down the ride. His and hers the wave, we got the same taste. Blue, we like the same faces. Grinding day and night, I need a vacation. Bring my little baby, it's a vacation. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. It's not tricking if she's yours, so no, I'm spending, yeah. If I got it, then she got it, tell her spend it, yeah. What I own and know she owns enough and rent it, yeah. If I'm dipping, tell her slide, it's no question, she gon' ride. Tell her count it up, make sure it's all there. We were down and out, this gon' be all, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands and tell her spend it, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah.
So all done, it looks crazy. This is what it looks like. And the inside looks insane. Crazy, right? So now I can go ahead and add the dye.
I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. I get some bands and I get some bands on my little baby, yeah. Baby, wanna whip with the boy for the one time. Okay, maybe one time. Roll it up and hit it for me one time. Cruise around the city, duck it one time. Shorty wanna whip with the boy in her free time. Make a little we time. I ain't worried, baby, we gon' be fine. Riding like we never heard a street sign. I'm a great catch, baby, better act right. Get the digits, hit it that night. And I shine like a star, he a flashlight. Keep my energy and cash right. I be turtlenecked up cause the ice on my collar got it freezing. It ain't even that season. You came with a lane but you left with a winner, that's treason. But a good enough reason. Brand new denim, two-tone like I just went tanning. I know one that she examined. I'm at the steakhouse knowing well I only want salmon. She gon' spread it like famine. Maybe don't play with your time cause you can't get it back. You should spend it how you want to. Tell that lame that it's dead for his.
So I'm all done and this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna let it sit and then I'll rinse it out and then style it, I guess, if it looks good. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this conditioner in it and let it air dry.
I bet you I never let him haunt you. Baby, wanna whip with the boy for the one time. Okay, maybe one time. Roll it up and hit it for me one time. Cruise around the city, duck it one time. Shorty wanna whip with the boy in her free time.
Good morning, guys. It is the next day. It is 8:22 right now. And I let it air dry overnight, leaning back like this. And here we have it. Another look at the lace. This is what it is looking like. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on and style it because I need to be ready soon.
Make a little we time. I ain't worried, baby, we gon' be fine. Riding like we never heard a street sign. Look, girlie wanna match on the vibe this evening and thinking about leaving with me. Told me she been throwing back shots and she need some back shots. That's a bet sound even to me. I've been going nuts like brand new briefs. Got brand new teeth from the jeweler, not the dentist. And I'm on some rare that you'll never see again. But I treat it like I got it on Pinterest. Let a player hit it like a cue ball, moving like a U-Haul. Shorty better act like she know how. I'm that same old that you knew from back then. They was acting brand new, but they know now. Put my pockets on protein, lungs tryna go green. Looking like I came from the trainer. That's drumline status on it with the bands. Give a f about your mans, he a stranger. Baby, wanna whip with the boy for the one time. Okay, maybe one time. Roll it up and hit it for me one time. Cruise around the city, duck it one time. Shorty wanna whip with the boy in her free time. Make a little we time. I ain't worried, baby, we gon' be fine. Riding like we never heard a street sign. Shorty wanna whip with the boy cause I'm on now. They won't leave me alone now. See me on the TV in the hometown. I don't need them, get it on my own now. Baby, wanna whip with the boy for the one time. Okay, maybe one time. Roll it up and hit it for me one time. Cruise around the city, duck it one time.
Wave, look, why you mad? Get to the bag. Niggas long face, duck a case, get the cash. I've been living fast, still far from average. Real talk, all this shit is right outside what I imagine. Young, black and raspy, catch me with a lab. Young nigga make the slap that make her body do magic. Won't stop till my bank account magnets. Looking like I'm still running paper routes backwards. Money bags, no advance, snap back like a rubber band. Pretty thing with a suntan, make it bounce back when she do the dance. Caught my song, we supposed to pick. See your things through a different lens. Living fast, only one chance. Never pans how we do the plans. Right? I practice what I preach. They lie or put her out my way, then get lost to see. Not sure what you wanted, but I'm what you need. I know my high just started, bet I hit a peak, yeah. Wave, used to just wanna blend in. Big flex, how I do the syntax now that I got the attention. On the rig, you make it really hard, I just wanna be friends. Treat the night like a vignette for what's coming next, hard to see the end. Yeah, I tread water in the deep end. I'll die young and live plenty days on my defense. In real life, niggas pretend, let them sleep in. We should life feeling like a never-ending repeat of the weekend. I can't believe it. Yeah, got it. Switch up how I breathe every time I see it. Yeah, knowing what you want, I know just what you need. Yeah, yeah. Here's the thing, I got you falling through for the weekend. Since I put it down, how you need it. Bet I make it, I don't wanna leave. It ain't nobody realize it's been added something rigorous. I traded in the cars, it was lost for the dividends. I'm calm, but the temperament been strong when I pencil in. Phone steady jumping, screening calls like I'm flipping bricks. Got everybody tapping in, but you been kept it solid. When you look me in the eyes, subtle tell I know you got it. When you do the sauce, make me want it a la carte. Caught me looking at it like the bullseye of the target. Double tap it. Since day one, but I'm seasoned. Put the work in off season. Niggas talk like they ball hard, when all they really do is reach in. Limit time, hearing small talk. Speaking dreams to existence like a young king at the Lincoln. Big facts for the pretense. Link up, we can sync up. Been in the field off the long snap, pack a big talk, better sink in. To the whole squad, get a ring ting. Let the ops tell us thing then. Recent life feeling like I never ended repeat.
I can't believe it. Yeah. Wait. You switch up how I breathe every time I see it. Yeah. Knowing what you want, I know just what you need. Yeah. Yeah. Here's the thing, I got you falling due for the weekend. Chance I put it down how you need it. Bet I make it hard, don't wanna leave it. You switch up how I breathe every time I see it. Yeah. Knowing what you want, I know just what you need. Yeah. Yeah. Here's the thing, I got you falling due for the weekend. Chance I put it down how you need it. Bet I make it hard, don't wanna leave it.
Ain't it obvious? I just got the check for depositing. $750 for the sound wave to get it processed. Won't stop till that shit weighing down my pockets. My main thing's to my main thing. She a blossom. When she ease the pain with the brain, she a doctor. She open up, then a thing thicker than the plot gets. Swear that shit is awesome. Sight for the optics. Young nigga on top. Nike's all I'm rocking, so that all they see is checks from where the head to where the socks fit. No logo on the bifocal, flicking old roach tips. Won't even show my face until all the shows book. Need the cash in advance, leave them all social. I'm the guy they chosen. Rise up like the rose and put them on a poster. All the way up in the sky where the stars posted. Sip it on that rose, I put it down on coasters. Stack francs from the waves till I own the ocean. More praises for the sayings, let it all soak in. They like, hey, that shit is flame, bitch, I know I rolled it. Going tight, dumb Dre when it 04 shit. Heavy off the 4 roses, that shit is poet. From the code to the globe, rap on the road shit. Till these niggas forfeit, double check the score shit. High off for the dove, shed a tear off a dub from the plug in the mud, yeah, let's show a nigga love. I be in the rush, and she tryna fix a blush, knowing damn well a nigga never be up in the club. Ay.
Okay, all done, put my clothes on. Well, not all done, but almost done. It is 9 o'clock exactly. So I wanted to be a little extra out with my baby hairs today, so don't judge me. If you don't want them, just go ahead and push them back, whatever, and then you can bring them out. So my knots are looking a little bit orange. I couldn't find those drops, y'all. If I would have had those drops, they wouldn't have been as orange. So I'm going to take a little bit of holding spray and foundation powder. So I'm just going to hit this really lightly. Woo. And then I'm going to go in with my foundation powder and like tap it over the part and a little bit over the orangey parts. And then the spray just helps it like stick.
It's that shit that they think they on, but not really on. Truth be told, I can't wait until all the ink is gone. They ain't really going, they just really born. Didn't mean to yawn, but all the weed is gone. I hope they got other business ventures they leaning on. I bag the blessing, I add the pressure, I might impress them. From way down for the crevice, the very essence of rap is running fast through my vessels. Know it's mine cause I said it, ayy.
Okay, so I am all done. It looks so good. I wish I could have bleached the knots just a little bit longer because they're not as blonde as I wanted them to be, but it still looks good to me. Just can't have nobody super close. And this is it. Look how long it is, you guys. Okay, so I am all done and it's time for me to head out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys and I'll see you on my next one.
Keep it all the way trail. Really, I just see it, I call it. Never wanna switch, I kept it solid. If I'm anything, I'm real. Really, I just see it, I call it. Never wanna switch, I kept it solid, nigga, fuck the way you feel. Really gotta see it, I call it. Never wanna switch, I kept it solid, and it is what it is. Really gotta see it, I call it.